Hi, see you again. If you are looking for an indoor fixed screen with more thin cabinet and a flexible screen size, we'd like to introduce you one of our new product, IF320. Here are some characters we highlight as below. Number 1. Integrated 3-in-1 board design. We have packed power supply, receiving cards, and hub into a single integrated board. No extra messy parts. This design cuts down wiring and connections, eliminating most failure points for rock-solid stability, even during non-stop use in busy space. It supports Versalite pixel pitches P1.38, P1.86, P2.5, making it ideal for sharp details in corporate lobbies or bright, clear visuals in retail stores. Plus, streamlined integration enables faster production and delivery, so you can get your display up and running sooner. Number 2. Hassle-free installation. The IF320 features simple hard connections and a standard 320 by 480 mm cabinet, turning setup into a breeze. No complicated parts means less time spent installation and smoother overall performance. Crafted from top-tier engineering plastic, the cabinet offers excellent heat resistance, durability, and a perfectly flat surface that stays consistent over years. A cabinet only weighs 2.2 kg is ultra lightweight, slashing transportation cost and making on-site handling effortless. Number 3. Easy maintenance. Maintenance is straightforward with magnetic front access. Swap parts in minutes using just a vacuum tool. Every unit comes factory pre-assembled, eliminating the risk of on-site module installation. Built-in temperature and voltage monitoring, paired with a dual backup configuration, let you catch issues early, minimize downtime, and enjoy reliable after-sale support. Number 4. Stunning visual performance. The IF320 delivers exceptional visuals with refresh rate of 3840 Hz and support for 50 or 60 Hz frame rates. Say goodbye to annoying photo scanning lines. The result is a smooth, blur-free image that stands out in any scenario. Pixel-level brightness and color calibration ensures consistent, vivid clarity across the entire screen with no hotspot or color discrepancies to distract your audience. That's all. If you are interested in this product, welcome to contact us freely. Thanks for watching.